In my last video, I showed how to make a graph right from zero. To do this, I had to take 3 steps. Get a piece of blank paper, write down the numbers in x and y pairs, draw x and y axis with markings on it, and only then I started to locate the graph. Now the main thing is I had to continuously draw these horizontal, vertical construction lines to locate the graph. Now this takes lots of time. Also, I think it is not a smart way to do it. Imagine if I have to make lots of graph, then what? Surely there is a better way. Now look closely at the graph again. I am removing these construction lines. Now what I have got are just points, graphical points. This is exactly what I need. I had to draw these lines just to help me in locating the graph. Now the question is there a better way to locate points quickly without drawing those lines? The answer is surely yes. Now this is another kind of paper. Lots of dots. Each dot is at same distance from other dots around it. Also, all the dots are in straight line, horizontally and vertically. Using this paper now, I have already drawn 2 axes, then the markings on the axis, and then x and y numbers which I need to graph. Now it is very easy to locate x and y distance of each point. You don't need to draw lines. Just follow and count the dots to get to the required graph. Very easy to complete graph of all the points. Going one step further. Now here is the paper which is actually having real construction lines. It is also called as grid lines. This is a good paper to make graph manually. Here is the example and graph drawn by me. It makes job of making graph real easy. Finally, here is the paper which is popularly known as graph paper. Familiar green in color? This, I believe, is still used as a standard graph paper in schools and colleges to plot graphs. So here is my sincere advice to anybody who is following my videos. Get some colored graph paper. They are readily available in local stationery shops. Learn how to use it. Make at least 5 graphs with different numbers. This will help you all a lot. The message of this video is still the same. Follow the instructions and practice a lot.